Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will like to show you the way how you can remove emoji or stickers from your face on the CapCut video clip that you have. So here I already have the clip and I already have the emoji inside of my clip. Here you can see that the emoji stickers here is stuck in front of the face of this girl. So let's remove this emoji. If you can see here, whenever you tap into the emoji, there is no actions pop up, so we cannot do anything over these stickers. So if you want to get an access to do some actions into this stickers or emoji, you just need to follow this tutorial. Take a look on this bottom feature, go click text, and they will be activate the emoji section. Go tap it and go click X here or click delete button. It's all up to you because it will be at the same. And you're done. So those emoji will be disappeared or removed from the face on your video clip. That's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.